guys, we're gonna go to the store on a budget of $30 and see if we can successfully do this challenge. All right, guys, we put up to Walmart because you know they say save money, live better. So we gonna see what really deals they got at Walmart. Soon y'all go into the store, bro. Y'all see all the snacks? Y'all gotta go straight to what y'all need. We're cooking a straight boneless chicken thighs and some broccoli. Hey, wait. You never grab the top. You never grab the top. Make sure you grab them the bottom, bro. Get 2 of these. That way we don't have to keep coming back into the establishment. We already beating inflation. Yes, sir. 50-cent lemons, bro. You gonna grab at least. You need one of them. We got some potatoes. We got some chicken thighs, some broccoli, some lemon. All right, this is the most expensive product, bro. Right. Y'all see the total, bro. The total right there is $12.76, bro. We didn't even hit 30. We didn't even get to 20, bro. All right, guys, so we successfully completed this challenge. We spent $12.76. Our limit was $30 to go to the store, and we ended up just spending almost nearly a half. That's what happens when you go to the store and you have a plan, you have a budget, you know what you're gonna get, you search it up, you know the ingredients it has, you know every dollar where your dollar's gonna go. Now we're sure we're not kids no more, guys. We don't need to get these big bag calories no more. I also like to mention the reason why I only spent this much is because the Bible says only worry about today, because tomorrow is gonna be way more to worry about. Guys, try to ration eating out places like this and making more prep food like this. We in the kitchen cooking with Kelvin, cooking with Kelvin, cooking on the stove, cooking with yeah, we in the kitchen and we about to cook some chicken thighs and broccoli with your rice on the side because the Nigerian style ingredients consist of broccoli. We got 2 bags of broccoli. We got some potatoes. We got 2 lemons. We got olive oil, thyme, garlic powder, some salt, and then you need your pans. And then we gotta have these preparing bowls right here. First thing we wanna do is put some olive oil in the pan. We're gonna dazzle that thing like so. What I like to do is wash my chicken. I like to put detergent and I guess make sure I get all the dirt from it. Add that salt on small, man. Y'all trying to kill it with the high blood pressure and stuff, bro. Y'all take it easy on the salt. You wouldn't have somebody feeling like they sick. Next, you're gonna add a little bit of Italian seasoning. We got some nice little lemon drops in there. I'm about to pull out the secret ingredient. We're gonna pull out some teriyaki seasoning sauce. Just throw a dash of this in there. We ain't relying on this sauce either. Put y'all, make sure there's holes in your pan right here so it can get cooked a little nice. Don't leave too much holes though. You just need to leave them right amount open.